If God is everywhere and everything, then what is good and what is bad? From God's point of view, there is no good, no bad. From our point of view, there is good and bad. In reality, there is no good, there is no bad. But when we do or live in this world, play our particular role of life, this is good, this is bad. So, in the Bhagavad Gita, there is a verse, Amrutam cha, Mrityum cha, Sat, Asat, Aham Arjuna. O Arjuna, I am immortality, I am death, I am Sat, I am Asat, everything I am. If person is suffering from tinnitus, then how can or feel make him difference between tinnitus and sound of silence? Do you know what is tinnitus? A person hears some sound which he doesn't recognize what it is and complains that I'm hearing some sound, loud noise, or I'm getting disturbed. Goes to doctor. Doctor examines and finds that the ears are all right, everything is all right, but hearing the sound. So when the doctor doesn't find any cause, tells it is tinnitus and it has no medicine. What happened to the person? Through grace of God or because of some past life's practice, the sound appeared, which was a blessing. He didn't know it. He didn't know that it is a blessing, and it came to him. He doesn't know, and it is strange, so he started disliking. If you dislike something, it will come to you more and more, louder and louder. If you start liking it, it will disappear. To listen to divine sound, you have to put so much of effort, and that person is spontaneously hearing the sound. You tell you are a lucky boy, lucky person. We are doing so much of effort closing the ears to listen to sound, and still then I am not hearing. Once I take the fingers away, you are hearing it. You just close your ears and listen to it. Love it. Once he starts doing it, he will tell that it is stopping. Am I clear? What is spirituality in simple words? Is it really necessary that a common man should practice it? If so, why? Spirituality is to love yourself, to love your family, to love God's creation, to live a joyful life. That is what spirituality is. It is for everybody. Spirituality is not to keep beard, to change your clothes, put some malas and go to temple, or put some mark on the forehead, sit like this, then you will be spiritual. What is the significance of Mahavatar Babaji's posture? Eyeballs are looking up. Do you know, this is a picture. It is not a real photograph. In this modern world, people want to cheat you. Many people, they say they have seen Babaji, they use the same photo, just little modified. If you have seen Babaji, you could have taken photograph. This is a painting, a drawing, and it is few times modified. And this picture is as Yoganandaji saw Babaji and his brother's sketch. It is not a real picture. All the direct disciples of Lahidi Mahasaya were using Om as a symbol in place of Babaji. And this photo came with Yoganandaji and we are following it. Don't be too curious about the photo and the position of the eyes. Do we choose our parents' geographical birth and all the problems, appearance, etc.? If so, why? Or is it God's choice? If yes, why? Look, There is no God's choice. It is our choice. You chose. Your karma chose. Sitting here, you have planned for tomorrow. Yes or no? You have planned for tomorrow or no? Yes. Next day? You don't have plan for next day? So tomorrow he has planned. Similarly, people have planned for their next life, they don't know. In this life, through your activities, unknowingly you are planning for your next life. You don't know it? Be careful.